See a helicopter, 911, Flight 93, checking post and pilot, trying to call me, Melton. You want to know when else your phone won't be allowed to work? Just one 911 Flight 93 check call in 11 years of asking. No mail. No FedEx, no UPS. If you work in the post office, FedEx, UPS, AT&T, any other phone company, and they're trying to drag you along to PhoneGate. Trump's PhoneGate, Cowardly Hussein's PhoneGate. I don't play favorites. Truth is my favorite. Should be everyone's. Make that video of what they're telling you to do. You got that phone, makes an audio, makes a video. These folks are stealing mail and placing folks in office. We need to get that grassroots democracy movement a-going. See that helicopter? Remind yourself to post and repost, text and retext. It's more than just our Kennedy or Catholic livelihoods. It's our Kennedy, our Catholic lifelines. So get on video. And post. Hold up, that could be made into an 8x10. Get your mask on and go to that Newsom, Catholic Governor of California, photo op and hold up a big 5. That's as big as a binder, an 8x10. And yeah, if you're not going out, that means you got plenty more time to make a video of your hijack call to me in front of via speakerphone. All mayors, all governors, all senators, all representatives. Time, date, number, doubt, get the FedExcel going. CIA, FBI Ray is incredibly negligent and very obvious hijacking of our economy. As well as you call to me, I could be driving folks into your business. I'm not making dime one off of my graphic art. And I'm certainly not doing the work Dad has me here to do. Build Jesus's immaculate house. So get on video, time, date, number, dial. Get the FedExcel going. All of Google, all of Microsoft, any other company you know. And of course, all Catholic doctors. They tried to kill me off in 2018. Dignity Health and the dangerous Catholic doctors they are. So get it on video. You trying to call me in front of them. Call me from Vatican City. Try to. And tell everyone. Take your tourist bucks somewhere other than Vatican City. And carry that FedExcel to the world. Immaculate Network, text, kilobytes, the Excel. And yeah, my son of a carpenter, Mary Excel, couldn't work on it today. I was kind of wrapping up last month. One handsome bald guy working alone. But yeah, text, email, post, repost, all of my imagery, all of my videos. You've tried to come see me and seen the devil. Anyway, first make a Wiram Wideo video of that. Let's go, sharp wheelchair. He wants one with a halo, I don't know. That one's good enough. Till I can get the month of May. I done. Make that video. Whatever you get when you don't get me, get that Excel going. They change their home numbers. They don't mind disturbing me at home. So disturb them at home until your family's lifeline is not hijacked as you try to call me. 30,000 plus graphic art photos to be turned into 8x10s or posters, especially the 9.3 check stuff. And I am trying to figure out where I left my big fives. I might not have one out. It certainly may be difficult to get to. But any 93 check imagery will do. Yeah, I'm not a fan of placing a cowardly Hussein in our White House right after we got attacked by a whole lot of cowardly Husseins with 9/11. I'm not a fan of the unimpeachable Donald Trump. Make that video, post that video. One more, and then I gotta eat and go to bed. Well, how about Sandra? That's not Sandra, that's my Catholic, my candidate livelihood. But here's Sandra's cloud imagery. You can certainly envision the big five. Hold it up at that photo op and tell everyone. Try to call this man, make a video of the world's hijack lifeline. See, that phone is every child in the world's lifeline to the firemen, police, paramedics, and make a video of it being hijacked as you try to call me. Just 1 in 11 years, they're worried enough about their crimes to alter phone records to cover that up. And countless folks making those documentaries, you make one yourself, of what happens when you talk about going to see me, Melton, one and only. Immaculate apartment. In that direction there's LA, but there are no skyscrapers. This is LA. It's a neighborhood in northern Los Angeles, and I ran over that. Wonder what it was. What the devil threw? Oh, they hate that. Yeah, that livelihood is also Donald and Hussein. But yeah, up there is York and Eagle Rock. And I'm not going out. I started to get the Target shipped food and CVS and the Target across the street. I'm trying to get it delivered, but yeah, knock on the door. Remember, there's strength in numbers. Get a whole bunch of folks and see the one and only. When you see someone besides me and these damn flowers, excuse me, these beautiful flowers, in Melton's imagery, oh, gold sensitive about the white flower image over there. You see someone besides me in my imagery, we started to build. Someone has torn down that Great Wall of Chinese evil. I'm sorry, I'm about that truth. I have to tell it like it is. Come see me. Let me design you a nice contact image. But you gotta see me in person. Yes, that's medical research being passed by. Got 2 eyes, but yeah, that's before, I want to say 2010, give or take a year, not exactly certain. But this is how the eye looked in 2014 when I ended up in the hospital, Good Samaritan. Take my word for it, this right here, go check out the Stigmata Eyes videos of light is missing. I'm doing a little genetic carpentry as the son of a carpenter Mary. No joke there. medical research being passed by with the world's hijacked lifeline. See that phone? Yes, that's every child in the world's lifeline. Think of it as being hijacked. Tell everyone else to do the same.